So in this episode, we will be comparing different types of bottled water at different price points.
Yes.
Yeah. Simula tayo sa tubig na 11 pesos lang hanggang sa tubig na 89 pesos isang bottle.
89 pesos for a bottled water.
Welcome to
Bottled Water Showdown! Woo!
So for this episode of Pagkain Showdown, it's not really a pagkain that we're going to be showdowning.
Showdown!
Anong tawag word? Yeah. So for the first one, we have Minerale.
Minerale.
Yeah, that's the cheapest
Doesn't
one
sound
that we got.
cheap for me.
It's a local product. So it has an effective price of 0.01825 pesos per milliliter. Yeah.
Yes.
We have different types of bottled water as well. Kasi people, usually sa Philippines, when people refer to bottled water, they say mineral water.
Mineral
right?
water.
Mineral water. When in fact, hindi naman laging mineral water yung binibili natin. But this one, as the name implies,
Minerale.
yeah, this is
From the
mineral
name.
water. This is a mountain mineral water, trusted fresh mineral water produced from selected water source in the mountain. It doesn't say which mountain though.
Yeah.
May minerals talaga siya.
Yeah.
So dissolved minerals. So it has calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, nitrate, bicarbonate, sulfate, chloride, TDS, total dissolved solid.
Can we drink
pH.
now?
Yeah. So we're gonna try.
Can we drink?
Before we proceed,
Yes.
I don't like mineral water.
Why?
Kasi may lasa siya.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. But
I don't
It's
know.
been many
I just
years.
drink water lang eh.
it's been many years since I bought mineral water because I don't like the taste. I like my water to be plain, to not have
Plain?
any taste at all. So we're gonna do a taste test.
To our first bottle of mineral water.
Alright.
I can't
Anong
actually find a difference from what I was expecting.
Para lang naman siya normal water, right?
Oh, parang normal lang.
Yeah. So this is the first type. Take note of the differences, ha?
Yes.
The next one, meron kasi kaming mini cooler dito.
Absolute.
So it's 3 cents per ml.
Per ml.
Twice the
Cheap.
price.
Twice the price.
Each here
Okay,
because
make
we're
sure
gonna
it's
refer to it.
empty.
So, ano ba yung difference ng distilled
Distillation.
water sa mineral water? Kasi di ba yung mineral water kanina,
Minerals.
may minerals siya.
Yeah, minerals.
So for distilled water, we want water to be as pure as possible.
Yes.
So for those who have a more science-oriented background, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I remember from my science classes. Distillation. So you have a solution. There's water. More often than not, it's not pure water. It would have other solids. It could also have bacteria. What happens is that we boil water so that water in its liquid form is transformed into gas form. Evaporation muna.
Yeah, evaporation.
So, yung gas molecules na yun, water molecules. So, yung non-water molecules, ideally, maiiwan siya dun sa ilalim.
Yes.
So, natin siya makukuha. So, once it turns into water vapor, syempre, we have to drink it, right? Technically, for you to be able to drink something, it has to be in liquid form.
Condensation.
Condensation, yeah. So, yung water in gas form, padadaanin natin siya sa cold temperature, magkakaroon ng contraction dun sa molecules. I don't know if I'm using the right terms, but that's how I remember it. So magta-transform ulit siya into liquid form.
Yeah.
So ngayon, since ang umangat lang naman ay water vapor, hindi yan nasama, pagbagsak niya, pag nag-condense na siya, you turn gas into liquid.
Ah, okay.
Yun,
Excited
pure
sa
water na siya.
precipitation.
Wala tayong precipitation. I don't think Absolute does that very simply, but that's an overview of.
How it's done.
Yeah, so
How it's
alam niyo
made.
yun,
Para
hindi lang,
ma-appreciate natin yung water niya.
hindi lang tayo
Basta inom na inom.
kain-kain, inom-inom, may natututunan din tayo.
Oo, di ba lamang chan?
Lamang utak pa.
Yeah.
This should not have any taste because this is pure water.
Kaya ko kayang i-differentiate siya from the mineral.
Actually, this is the point of this vlog. May difference ba
Oo.
ang murang tubig sa mahal na tubig?
Yeah. Ganun. Parang wine. Toast.
Ano mga amoy?
Parang champagne. Wine. May aftertaste siya na I can't describe compared to the
Coconutty.
mineral. Yeah! That's the
Actually,
right one.
that's
coconutty.
that's something.
If there's
that-
such a word.
Yeah, that's something I find weird with Absolute.
Yeah.
I'm not sure with the other brands because I don't really buy bottled water that much. And there's this somewhat coconut taste. I think I want to have a taste of Minerale again.
How long
Would you
will
want
it take
some?
for us to pee after drinking a lot? Ito, lasang mineral. May difference nga, in fairness.
So what's the difference?
Ito, coconutty. Yung La Mineral, parang lasang ilog, ganun.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kasi-
Lasang river.
I think that's common with
Like-
mineral water. Not just this brand. Meron siyang taste na konti. Kung sabihin ng mga tao, nag-iimbento lang tayo, ang arte lang natin.
Totoo, meron talaga difference. You should try it. It's fun. It's fun.
I really don't understand why there's a coconutty aftertaste
I don't know
with
that.
pure water. So the next one, it's Evian.
Evian. How do you pronounce?
O
O.
Minerale
Mineral.
Naturel.
Natural.
So you like
Huh.
may plema.
Yeah. Huh. There's like
So it just means
plema.
natural
No?
mineral water.
Oo.
So this is a product of France. Kanina, Le Minerale, it's a product of the Philippines. It did not say which mountain
Yes.
the water was coming from. But for this one, it says that it's from the French Alps.
French Alps, yes. There's a lake named
Yeah.
Evian in France. Yeah.
This is 500 milliliters, and we got this for,
500.
oh my god, 50 pesos and 25 cents. So this is 10 cents per milliliter.
Yeah.
It's
Oh
getting
my.
more expensive. So to give you perspective, this is roughly 7
cents.
times more expensive
Yeah.
than the Le Minerale
Le Mineral.
and 3 times more expensive than Absolute.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Doesn't have any scent.
This has a more pronounced taste than Le Minerale. It's really mineral water. Parang mas malasa to for me than Le
Mas
Minerale.
malasa, really? For me, it's Mineral.
I'm gonna get more of
Can
that.
you get it? Can you? Let's compare it again.
Le Minerale. So parehong
it
mineral
looks
water.
like Evian.
Ah.
The
Pero
same.
ito is
It looks
local.
the same, yeah.
Support local daw.
Sige, say it there. No scent. For me, Mineral has more pronounced aftertaste. It both has a mineral aftertaste, but
Yeah.
this one is more refined
No, I don't.
in ways I couldn't describe.
Siguro on a daily basis,
Yeah.
mas kaya kong inumin to kesa sa Evian. Because of the taste, kasi mas minerally yung taste ng Evian. And I think that's what other people are looking for. And for me, kasi di ba, I like distilled water.
Yeah.
Next, the last one in our batch, the most expensive, Perrier. Water captured at the source in France.
Why is
100%.
water in France so expensive?
Expensive.
Diba?
So this is carbonated natural mineral water.
Carbonated.
So it's still mineral water, right?
If
Pero
it's carbonated, it's like it does have a soda aftertaste.
I think it should have a fizz. How much
Same
is this
here.
for?
That's 89 pesos. in
89
Landmark.
pesos. Yeah, it's still in the grocery. 0.75 liters. Maybe that's part of the reason why it's expensive. 12 cents per
12
milliliter.
cents. Wow.
So, I did some research. Naturally carbonated yung water. At the source, carbonated na siya. Pero what they do daw is they capture the carbon and the water separately. I don't know how it's done. Sa bottling, minimix ulit nila yung carbon
Yeah.
dun sa water. So, are you ready for the most expensive water? I think this costs as much as a value meal in McDonald's. So, did you hear that?
There's a popping sound.
The fizz.
Fizz.
So,
Ooh. Oh, bubbly. It's full of bubbles. Like stars.
yeah, so this is the difference with the other water
Yeah.
that we had.
It fizzles. Yeah.
See the bubbles?
There's a sparkly.
Yeah, so
Look.
it has a fizz.
Yeah, it has a fizz.
Cheers.
Cheers. It doesn't have any scent. Just like the earlier
You feel
water.
it?
Haven't. I'm about to drink it first. I don't think I can drink this on a daily basis. Diba? It's like soda. It's like expired soda. Expired soda. Diba?
I don't like the fizzy taste of it.
I don't like it as well.
Thanks for
It's my first time to drink Perrier. It's bubbling inside
Actually,
my mouth.
for you to appreciate it better, I think we have to listen. I'm not sure if you heard that, but yeah, there's a fizz. Because the bottle has been open for quite a while now, and then when it was newly opened, I think it had more fizz. Okay. So, what can you say about our bottled water experience?
It's fun. It's actually fun to differentiate waters in different levels, diba? In different
actually.
process on doing it.
Yeah, actually, so hindi lahat ng tubig pare-pareho.
Ako kasi, I just need something to quench my thirst. So, I don't mind if it's distilled, mineral, diba? I'm not so maarte naman. I'm not very particular when it comes to drinking. I just
You're
want
not
to...
so maarte naman.
Oo. I just want to quench my thirst lang, diba?
Yeah.
Saka to rehydrate.
Yeah. I think this is something that you should try more than once to be able to appreciate it. This one, 89 pesos, would I really be buying this?
On a daily basis.
No.
For the sake of
actually not.
trying lang.
For the experience.
For the
actually.
experience. Or parang ano lang, wala nang choice eh, diba? Uho na uho ka na eh.
Pero
parang-
feeling ko, kung hindi ka sanay, tsaka Pilipino tayo, hindi tayo sanay sa carbonated water, masyashock ka pag binilo na parang, hala.
Tubig ba to? Or expired na sa Sprite? Expired na Sprite?
Actually,
Diba?
green bottle pa.
Green bottle pa.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Pero syempre, inom tayo ng inom, di ba?
Inom ng inom, sayang eh.
Ang mahal ng tubig na to, so hindi naman pwedeng i-go to waste. Kailangan
Alasing na nga ako
sulitin ng
May
bawat.
tama eh.
Sulit ng bawat patak.
May tama.
Which is the
Best.
best for you?
Best for me, absolute.
Absolute. Yeah, for me.
Absolute.
I mean,
Absolutely the best.
Absolute was 15 pesos, right? Actually, 11 pesos na Minerale na 600 ml.
Pwede na.
15 pesos na Absolute na 500 ml. For a 5 peso difference, you get less water.
Less water.
Pero, nawala yung taste.
Yeah.
Diba? It was fun doing this.
It was
Kasi
fun.
it's something na you just overlook na, ay, tubig lang
Oo,
yan,
tubig
pare-pareho
lang.
lang yan. That's the thing. With everything we consume, we have preferences. And then, hindi natin pinapansin na ang tubig, meron din pala siyang differences.
Yes.
So, it can be something more.
Can be
So,
something
not all water
or
is
the same.
So, find the water that suits your taste best. But actually, for the most part, I don't think anyone would actually care which water you were drinking. But we just want to know
The difference.
kung may difference nga ba talaga. And if it's worth spending more money for branded
Branded, yeah.
water. So, I
Excuse me,
feel
Ron.
bloated because of the
Same here.
fizz. Dun
Fizz.
sa-
The fizz. Ron?
excuse me. Sorry, disgusting. But
Disgusted.
it has that effect. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this episode. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet and liking this video because it would help me in producing more videos like this in the future if you enjoyed it. You know.
Or you might want to comment on
Yeah.
what you want us to try, diba?
Okay. Also, follow us on Instagram. She's The Greedy Appetite.
PH. The Greedy Appetite, PH.
Okay. And I'm Ronnie Pe Gutierrez. So, wala kasi kaming budget for sound effects. So,
So,
lang yung nagsa-sound
Sarili
effects.
sikap na lang.
Okay. So that's it. Bye.
Bye.